Father Jeever, and I would like to share with you some of the lines of today's Gospel, June 26, 2026. It says from Matthew chapter 8, verses 1 to 4. When Jesus came down from the mountain, great crowds followed him, and then a leper approached, did him homage, and said, "Lord, if you wish, you can make me clean." He stretched out his hand, touched him, and said, "I do will it. Be made clean." His leprosy was cleansed immediately. My dear friends, Jesus did not saw leprosy per se. He saw a person that needs help, a person that needs his dignity restored, a person that needs to be reinstated to his community. And that is also same with us. Jesus wanted us to be cleaned and cleansed from our sins. Jesus wills that our hearts must be free from hatred, that our eyes must be free from malice, that our lips must be free from lies, from dishonesty, that our lives must be free from selfishness. And at the end of the day, maramdaman natin na ibinalik sa atin ng Panginoon ang yung dignidad, yung kapatawaran na para sa atin, because we deserve that. Have a nice day and God bless.